Yeah, I changed my mind.
About?
Inaaway-away ko si Tami dahil yung sinabi ko sa inyo na first love niya, na iniwan siya dahil mga bata pa sila, di ba? Gusto niyang pakasalan, gano'n. Why is it so loud?
Here's a little song I wrote. You might want to sing it note for note. Don't worry. Be happy.
We'll be right back. I know. I'm going to see Dada. Yeah, I need to pack. I need to keep going packing or else nothing will happen. Okay? If I don't do this, nothing will happen. Even though it's very slow, nothing will happen if I don't do anything. Mahangin, guys. Ang nakapro. Hello, guys. Hello, everything family. Good morning. Good morning, everything family. Kumusta po kayo? Ba't blurry? Nag-alala ako, guys, kasi ulan. And then mahangin. And then snow din dito. Mag-snow daw mamaya. So ngayon, mahangin pa. And then iwan ko sila Roxy. Takot itong dalawa, guys, sa mga ganito. Ay, hindi dalawa. Si Roxy lang talaga yung takot. But anyway, puntahan ko si Tami kasi kailangan kong mag-impake sa mga bedroom, di ba? Habang andun siya. So, yun yung gagawin ko. And, pauwi siya dito bukas pa. Bukas pa kasi, you know, bukas pa yung maaga yung daw, stop ng hangin. So, yun, baka aalis siya. Dito pala to. Gusto kong mag-impake, guys, dahil hindi talaga walang nangyayari, guys. Kung hindi akong mag-impake. Walay. Walay na walay. And then, yung pakiramdam ko naman sa katawan ko is gustong mag-pew-pew. Gustong mag-CR. Iwan ko, every time na aalis ako, yung nerve ko is, yung tiyan ko yung maapektuhan talaga kapag ganito. So, kasi nag-alala ako sa dalawa, guys. Nag-alala talaga ako kasi kapag mahangin din, and then kapag uulan, at saka sobrang hangin, si Roxy magpapanik. And then kapag mag-run out dito kasi, yung beep, yung alarm ng bahay is tumutunog ng malakas. And then, ito, mataranta. So, tignan natin muna na yung update. Mag-snow daw dito, ulan at saka snow. 1 o'clock. Ano bang gagawin ko, guys? Aalis ba ako dito? Okay. I'll give you. Kaloka ito. Okay. So, I guess I'm going to give you dry food. Parang debate kung alis ako or what. Hindi ko talaga. Kaya dito pa ako, 10 o'clock na something. Sabi ko, naisip ko, ay, alis ba ako or what? Ay, nako, kaloke. Okay, sana hindi kayo mapapagod. Guys, sana hindi kayo mapapagod sa kakapanood ng vlog natin. And then lately, nag-impake ako sa bahay, doon sa isang bahay. So, sana hindi kayo mapapagod kasi ito talaga yung kaganapan ngayon, kailangan. And anyway, matagal pa ito. Hopefully, yung kapatid ni Tami magpunta doon and then tutulong-tulungan lang. I'll be right back. Be a good girl. Be a good girl, ha? Malinis ko. Medyas tayo, guys, para kasi maginaw sa labas. And may mga ano pa ako doon sa sasakyan. Kinuha ko, nilagay ko sa basement yung iba. And then ito, dry na siya. Nilabhan ko to kahapon, guys. Uga na siya. Yep. Uga. And then, nilabhan ko, kasabi ko, ay, pinapaningot ako ng maraming singot nito eh. Yung sinuot ko to. So, nasingutan. Ang dami ko pang dapat ayusin dito, guys. Hindi. Walang katapusan itong ano sa bahay ko. Ayos dito, ayos doon. Impake doon, lagay dito. Walang katapusan po ito. Kasi, alam nyo naman, kailan pa ito matatapos? Hindi ito matatapos kapag hindi mabinta at hindi maano yung isang bahay. And then, kailangan ko pang mag-ano ng gas kasi wala na palang gas. Haluloy, halalay. Haluloy. Oh my God. Bilis naman. Hi guys. Nag-debate ako ba kung aalis ba ako or hindi. Nag-isip ako kung aalis ba ako. Oh, tinawagan ko na si Tami. Sabi ko, siya. I'll get there something and then come. No, you know what? I'm not gonna go there. I'll do that next time. You know what? I'll go next time. Let me call him back.
Hello.
Hi.
That was quick.
Yeah, I changed my mind.
About?
I changed my mind going over there.
Okay. Well, I don't blame you. It's not a nice day to be traveling either way.
I'm in the car already and I was looking around. I said, oh my God, the wind here is kinda not crazy, but there is something. And then the cloud is very dark. And then what if later on will snow?
Here's my suggestion to you. Make sure your phone is charged. Make sure your laptop is charged.
Yeah, but are you coming home later?
I am coming home later. Like I said, when it slows down enough and the weather forecast is going to stop, I'm going to run out and get cigarettes and then I'm coming home. It's tax benefit. It has money back here. And right now, like I said, they still changed it from 11:30 tonight. Now it's supposed to end somewhere like 4:30 this afternoon or something.
I love you. I will call you later. I'm already in the car in the garage.
Alright, well, close the garage. Go inside, like I said, make sure. I know you like to let your phone run down to 20% before you plug it in. Make sure it's full charge, because, you know, you really should charge that backup battery. Go find it up in your office.
I said I really want to go pack over there.
I know what you said.
Try to
Well,
avoid.
I'll probably take some stuff with me. I know I got a lot of pants and stuff here.
Sirado natin. Kaloka na. Well, actually, the dog will be happy. Okay? Masaya yung aso. Dahil babalik tayo sa lubog. Mama's back! Mama's back! Early! Yes, I'm back. I'm not leaving. I'm not leaving my baby because I'm worried about my baby. Mama, sister, come here. Come to Mama, baby. Happy? Happy. Yes. So, this is the story of my life. Hindi. Ganyan ako, guys. Thankfully, makauwi si Mr. Kasi, sabi pa niya, uwi siya. Hopefully, makauwi siya mamaya kasi ay naku talagang buhay na to. Hi, Bulaklak! Are you still alive? Buhay pa sila. Buhay pa. And also, dahil andito ako, ang gagawin ko, nag-edit ako ng madalian this morning. And then, edit tayo na naman. Balik tayo edit kasi andito tayo sa bahay, di ba? Meron akong mga clips dito sa GoPro. So, ang gagawin ko is i-transfer ko to sa laptop. Ay, finally, tapos ako sa isang video. Ginoo ko, sumakit yung arthritis ko dito, guys. Yung paa ko din, naka-fold siya dito kasi dito ako nag-upo-upo. Look. So, naka-fold yung paa ko, yung arthritis ko, mas lalong sumakit. Ginoo ko, Lord. Time check, it is 12:30 na, guys. Katatapos ko lang sa video. Kinat ko siya ng half. Yung nag-impake kami ni Tami sa sa bedroom niya na ang dami kong nalalaman at ang dami kong nababasang mga love letter na kung nabasa ko yung mga love letter that time noong fresh pa yung relationship namin ni Tami, away na away, pero because nag-mature na tayo dahil nag-mature na tayo, ito pinagtatawanan namin, hindi na sumakit yung dibdib ko. Kasi kung noon ko yung nababasa, guys, honestly, guys, sasakit yung dibdib ko at away-awayin ko yung asawa ko. Kasi naalala ko talaga noon, inaaway-away ko si Tami dahil yung sinabi ko sa inyo na first love niya, na iniwan siya dahil mga bata pa sila, di ba? Gusto niyang pakasalan, ganoon. Mga bata pa sila. And then, iniwan siya dahil pumunta sa California dahil gustong mag-study, gano'n. So, nagkahiwalay sila. So, naging kaibigan sila. And then, kaibigan sila ng kaibigan. And then, sulatan ng sulatan, gano'n. And then, sending gifts. And then, nalalaman ni Tami na may nakasal na siya, may anak na siya. Pero, kaibigan pa rin sila. Na-stop lang yung pagkakaibigan nila dahil sa akin. Kasi ayaw ni Taming mag-away kami palagi. And then, silusa ako. That time, na sobrang grabe. Kung noon ko pa yun nababasa, yung mga sulat na yun, yung mga love letter na yon doon sa old bedroom niya, probably hiwalay na kami kasi ganun ako kasilosa. Isang gamit lang na ipapadala niya doon dahil, you know, every Christmas magpadala sila, exchange gift sila with the family, ganun, with her kids, yun sa kasawa niya. And then, ito si Tami padala ng Linux, di mahilig sila sa Linux, di ba? Yun, so, isang gamit lang, na last na yun ipapadala ni Tami dahil, you know, meron na siyang ako, and ayaw naman niya na maging, kasi alam niya na silosa ako. So, yun, ito yun, yung palagi namin pinag-aawayan, na gusto kong biakin, sabi ko, wag mong ipadala mo yan, hiwalayan kita. Ito siya. Sabi ko, i-keep natin ito kasi pag may bahay tayo, gamitin ko. Kasi, you know, ako na yung asawa mo. Bakit nagpapadala ka pa ng magandang gamit sa ibang babae yun? Ito siya talaga, guys. Kaya, nandito sa amin. Kasi hindi niya nabigay. And then, nag-stop yung friendship nila kasi ayaw ni Tami na maging away kami ng away. Totoo yun ito, guys. Hindi ako nagpa-pretend na ako, anghel na hindi na-feel ng silos. Hey, kayo din nagsisilos, ano? So, wag na kayong magpaka-aron ingnon dyan. So, yan. So, yun yung dahilan talaga. Yung vase na yan, yun yung dahilan ng away. Every time makikita ko yun sa dining room doon sa isang bahay, na magandang box, ganun. Sabi ko, noon na ano talaga ako, uminit, magkipag-away. So, kaya tinago sa attic, sa third floor. And then, sabi ko, wag mong ibigay yun ha. Makita ko lang na mawala yan dyan. Kasi gagamitin natin yan ha. Kung mahal mo ako, wag mong ibigay. Gamitin natin yan pag magbahay na ta. Look, ginamit namin pag may bahay na. Yun. So, yun siya. Yun yung story. Pero, yun yung talaga. Sabi ko sa kanya, luckily, hindi mo ako pinapasok. Hindi natin nililinis yung bedroom na yan. Kaya dahil, kung nililinis natin yan dyan, and din nakikita ko yung mga ganong liter na sobrang, kung nalobat po tayo, guys. So, yun siya, guys. So, kung hindi pa ako, kung nakita ko pa yung mga ganong liter, walang Mr. and Mrs. Everything sa buhay natin ngayon. Walang Mr. and Mrs. Everything. Iwan ko kung saan ako. Pero buti na lang hindi niya ako pinapasok sa bedroom na yun. Dahil kung pinapasok niya ako, walay talaga eh. So, si Tami, aalis yan. Plano niyang magpunta siya sa isang Talong Island kasi hindi siya nakabili ng sigarilyo kahapon. Wali, meron pa pala akong malunggay. Alam nyo, maraming nagsabi at alam ko to. Makaano daw ito, makalala sa tuhod, arthritis, itong munggo. Kaya kami ni Tami, hindi ko ito niluluto palagi dahil meron akong arthritis, and then every winter talaga lalala siya, guys, as in sumakit ng sakit. And si Tami din, di ba, yung tuhod niya masakit din. So yun, gusto ko itong lutuin. Hi! Tumawag si Mister. Sabi pa niya, Han, I'm on the way na. He's on the way na to buy cigarette. Sabi pa niya, but that's all. I just want to let you know that, I leave the house and I will talk to you later. It's like, why you're in a rush? You just called me. Sabi pa niya, I'm listening the news. Mahilig yan. Makikinig talaga siya sa news, guys, kahit saan, guys. So, hindi ako masyadong naglagay ng mga abubot. Hindi ako masyadong naglagay ng mga abubot sa Christmas tree ko, guys. Dahil itong si Dimples, like yesterday morning, nagwala ako dito kasi takbo sila ng takbo. Itong Christmas tree, na-move doon na area kasi Nagtakbo sila, takbo back and forth. Sabi ko, nagalit ako guys. Binira ko yung Christmas tree dito. Nakita ko yung Christmas tree pag ganun-ganun, no? Ay, nako. Kasi ganyan yan sila, ang pusa. Basta hindi mo bigyan ng pagkain early and gutom na sila. Ang gagawin nila is parang tornado. Takbuhan silang dalawa ganyan. Kainin ko na lang ito lahat. Kasi maliit lang ito siya guys, pero pag ilabas mo na siya, marami na. Pag nalabasan, pasensya na guys ha, may pagka-nautical talaga. Sumasya. Diba? Na. Yung ang buhay, umalabot ko eh. Isang red. Lahat. Alam nyo, paminsan, magtataka ako kung totoo ba talaga itong plato. Vietnam. So, okay lang. Kasi Vietnam. Is 5 o'clock na guys. Continue tayo sa kahapon na vlog. 5 o'clock na ngayon pa dumating si Mister. 5 o'clock ng umaga. So ngayon pa siya dumating. Ngayon pa dumating si Mister. I think grabe yung tulog niya sa isang bahay. Napagod ata sa ka-drive kahapon. Napagod yun sa nakadrive kahapon doon. Basta sigarilyo talaga guys. So yun, umaga na, kagigising ko lang. Kasi pakainin yung aso. Iyak ng iyak. Ew, baby. Roxy been kissing Tommy. And then I'm the one who lost the kissing. Jesus. Gising ko lang, kagigising ko lang talaga. Pinakain ko na yung pusa. Hey, say hi. You're very, very late. You come home. Oh, somebody's already on top. Somebody's on top. So there's no rain? Ha?
No.
No rain? Pagkatapos niyan, matutulog yan guys. And
Oh, oil gas.
oh, you do in the boiler? What happened? Oh yeah, that one. What happened with the boiler?
I told you I had to do some work on it.
Why? It
Because
doesn't
otherwise
give
it
you
was
problem, right?
Yeah, but sometimes it'll take 2 or 3 days before it shuts down completely. And
So what
it's
did you
done.
do?
I took it apart and put on all these screeners and stuff. Yeah, it was a mess.
Oh, the screen.
And the
Do you have a screen for that?
and the mask filter. Oh, I forgot to bring one here.
That's why I want to call you, but I'm worried about to call because maybe you're sleeping still. I feed you. Go ahead over there. I feed you. Go,
Right,
go,
little
go.
man.
Go over there. Eat your food.
You sit on your couch? Okay, no, this is your couch. I know it's your couch. He's definitely coming before that. Tucker called saying, I need to watch him. He didn't really do it. Most of the people are just not great school or whatever.
Experience has my back. It raised my credit score because
I'll watch it.
seeking answers to important questions. That is crafting a narrative to fit your personal beliefs. And
Oh my God. Just here.
What? I was thinking of the process.
You cannot do that? Nang dahil dito, guys. Nang dahil sa steak. Why is it so loud? This one, oh. How can you shut it off? Oh my God, that's very annoying. It's not gonna. I don't wanna do it again. I opened the oven long because it's smoking inside. Roxy's freaking out. Roxy's freaking out. Roxy's freaking.
She's not happy with you.
You won't eat the steak, right? The steak is the reason.
Connected to upstairs too, so if you're sleeping upstairs, you know that there's a fire downstairs. They're connected. So whichever one it hits, talk to the rest of them.
Jesus. That's my first time they smoke alarm. Honey, honestly, honey, it's scary. Scary, Brox. Sorry, baby. Sorry.
Tell your mama.
Sorry.
I didn't do it. Tell your mama.
Sorry. Kain kami, guys. Oy, Ginoo ko, Lord. Salamat, guys, sa panonood. And drink water, Han. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Kakauwi lang.